Life's lessons for a brighter future. Hey everyone, ever feel like life's throwing curveballs? Remember, every challenge is a chance to grow, and you're stronger than you think. This speech aims to inspire you to embrace life's lessons, turning setbacks into stepping stones towards a fulfilling future. Life teaches you far more from mistakes than successes. Each misstep highlights what to avoid next time, guiding you toward better choices and stronger decisions. Don't fear failure. Embrace it as a valuable teacher. Struggles aren't roadblocks. They're opportunities to build resilience. They teach you bravery and perseverance, forging an unyielding spirit within you. Embrace the tough times, knowing they're shaping you into someone extraordinary. Not everyone is meant to stay in your life forever, and that's perfectly okay. Some people enter your journey to impart specific lessons, preparing you for what lies ahead. Release those who no longer serve your growth and make space for new connections. You don't need to be perfect to make progress. Small, consistent steps forward are still steps in the right direction. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small, and keep moving towards your goals. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It may never arrive. Action is always superior to endless waiting. Start now with what you have and watch your dreams unfold. Your attitude shapes your entire life. A positive mindset can transform any situation, turning obstacles into opportunities. Choose optimism and watch your world brighten. Life is a journey of continuous learning and growth. Embrace the lessons, cultivate a positive mindset, and never stop believing in your potential. Take these insights, apply them to your life, and watch yourself flourish. Start today by identifying one small step you can take towards your goals. Share your commitment with a friend for accountability, and let's build a brighter future together.